Hey guys, so let's talk about dates today. Dates are really healthy fruits that I can say. It contain a lot of nutrients. So the first benefit, I have to say that it's very important benefit, which is I've seen in Malaysia a lot of people are having indigestion problem. So one of the problem is indigestion problem. It could be ended up in constipation, or even though you don't have like a stomach pain or feel like gassy or bloated, but sometimes they always develop with constipation. Constipation is happen due to sometimes lack of drinking water, or maybe the weather is very hot and they always been dehydrated. And another most importantly, Malaysians are very less taking fruits. Almost about 85% of Malaysians are not taking fruits. Even though Malaysia is one of the tropical country who can find a lot of tropical fruits here, but the fruits intakes are very less. So that is the reason we need more fiber for a better bowel movement. So the first benefit is dates aids in the bowel movement. Dates contain a lot of soluble and non-soluble fiber. If you are a person who always not taking fruits or fiber-rich food, you can start consuming at least about 4 to 6 pieces of dates in your daily. According to Malaysian dietary fiber recommendation is about 25 gram to 30 gram daily. So next important benefit that dates having is it contain high amount of antioxidants. Do you know dates contain 3 types of antioxidants? The first one is carotenoids, second one is flavonoids, third one is phenolic acid. These 3 antioxidants are very important because it contain anti-inflammatory properties, which is it's helping in reducing inflammation rates in your body, and also is helping to reduce chronic effects such as diabetic conditions. Flavonoids also beneficial to your brain and works a lot towards the reductions of the risk brain degeneration disease such as Alzheimer's. Another important part of carotenoids and phenolic acid is it's good for the cardiac health. The third benefit is good news for the diabetic patients or diabetic people. Dates are great sweet replacement for your sugar. High in fiber and natural sweetener, so the sugar will be slowly will be releasing inside your bloodstreams because the support of the fiber. The fourth one is very important for the elderly people and also female after menopause. Dates also helping in maintaining your bone health. Dates are highly rich in micronutrients such as selenium, manganese, magnesium and copper. The needs for these micronutrients in ensuring your bone health makes dates one of the most important supplements to be added to your diet if you are suffering from bone problem. It is highly recommended to include dates in your daily diet if you are suffering from bone health. The fifth benefit is it's improving your skin health. Dates contain high concentration of vitamin D and also vitamin C, so which is very important to get a glowing skin and also very elastic skin. The nutrients that are present in dates also helpful in preventing faster aging and helps you look younger for a longer period of time. So here are some tips. If you wish to add on dates in your daily diet, definitely can. You can just take 2 pieces of dates in the morning and you just consume directly straight away, or else you can make it into like a date space. Then you just whenever you want to drink it as a drink, you just take a 1 tablespoon of dates and mix with your water and drink it, or else using that date space you can make some cookies, cakes, some pastries, or anything that you want to mix inside any of your food replacing sugar. You can use it. I hope today's video is very beneficial for you guys and very helpful. And if you wish to know how to make homemade date paste, I will link down below in my description box. You can go and click the link to see how to make your homemade date paste and how long you can keep it in your refrigerator. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video.